Today we are going to start on our Roy Lichtenstein pop art artwork. Remember, we talked about onomatopoeia, so words that sound the way that they are spelled. So pop, pow, bang, wham, whoosh, splat. Any words that you can think of, that's what you can choose from. So you need to have your paper, you need to have your pencil, but remember it's hard for you to see when I draw with regular pencil. So I'm going to set that aside and I'm going to draw with a black colored pencil. Now you'll notice I have my paper in landscape style. That means the long sides are at the top and the bottom. I want to make sure I have lots of room so that I can write my sound word, my onomatopoeia word, nice and big. I think I'm going to use the word pop. That sounds like a lot of fun. So how do we spell pop? P-O-P. Just like if you blew a bubble in gum and it popped, I think that's what I'm going to try to make my picture look like. So I want big old letters. I want to fill up a lot of space. So here's my first P, just like that. And I'm going to draw my O, just like that. And then I'm going to work on my last P. I'm going to make it look like it's a little bit maybe lowercase, just like that. Now, if I want to, I could add an exclamation point. I think I'm going to add an exclamation point right here. And so now you can see I've filled up a lot of my space. What I'm going to do around the word is make it look like it has actually popped. So I think I'm going to do some curved lines, kind of like, you know, the mess you would get if you blew a bubblegum bubble and it had popped and was kind of gum stringy all over the place, you know, that's kind of ugh. I'm going to keep going, adding more lines to make it look like there was a pop here. I keep thinking about bubblegum. I guess I want a piece of bubblegum right now while I'm doing this. I don't have any. That's okay. I'm going to draw one more big one right here at the edge. Remember, I'm not drawing through my letters or my exclamation points. I want it to look like the pop part happened behind the word. Okay, when Roy Lichtenstein did these, he used bright colors. Most of the time he used primary colors, which are red, yellow, and blue. And you can do any colors that you want. If you want it to really look like his, then what you're going to do is take a marker. I've got a marker. And what we're going to do is we're going to go around our letters and make them so that the lines are really thick and dark so that they stand out. Really thick. Just like this. Let me finish up my little exclamation point. Just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to decide which colors I want to use where, and I'm going to very carefully color this design. Now I will include this on the assignment part of Canvas so you can see it when it's done. This is just an example. You can use any word that you want that is a sound word. Buzz, slap, ping, boing, any sound word that you can think of. I can't wait to see yours when you're done.